Alright guys, today I am going to show you how to use CurseForge. CurseForge is cool, and if you want to learn how to do so, right click, delete profile backstep, and delete. Nice. Now you want to get better in Minecraft, just search up to Minecraft, Skadoosh, and you want to get this one right here. The Better Minecraft Forge from 2 days ago. That's when and just click install Skadoosh and wait. Skadoosh. He said here, download this thing, right? Since I already have it, I didn't have to do that, I don't think. Let's see. Where the freak is it? This thing, right? We just copy this, close out of here, do the freak, go right here. Right click on here, open folder. Now that's really important. Now go to mods and you want to paste in the Optifine, paste. Fantastic. Now just close and relaunch it. Now you want to press play. My god, my phone was dropped. What the freak is wrong with me, man? Oh, there it is. Yes. Often video settings, shaders, look like that. And then you just gotta wait because it's gonna load in again, man. You just gotta wait a little. That's it, man. 7 grand or whatever the very dead.